Hey guys, Chicky Maine, aka Debo.com with your Debo.com surf forecast video update. This update brought to you by Atlantic Video Productions, serving North Florida for over 25 years. Need video production services? Contact Mitch at Atlantic Video Productions, 904-241-0600. Okay, guys, here it is. Start you off with the 96-hour swell forecast out of the Ocean Prediction Center. And for any of you guys thinking about traveling out to Puerto Rico this weekend to try and catch some of this swell, it does look like a north-northwest swell is now going to develop behind this system. How big is yet to be determined at the moment, but the 96-hour swell forecast showing some 12 to 13 second north-northwest swell developing. And here's the latest 72-hour wind wave forecast out of the Tropical Atlantic Forecast Branch, showing a possible gale setting up east of the Florida coast, highest seas southeast of the Outer Banks at 14 feet, but northwest winds at 25 to 30 knots in here. Now, the problem's going to be is that this is a short fetch and it's not expected to last long. So that's one of the variables that we'll be looking at as this event starts to unfold. Taking you to the model, the GFS, this afternoon showing an area of low pressure on Wednesday approaching the mid-Atlantic states in here. And then on the Thursday, moving up towards the northeast states with a northerly flow setting up along the coast. North winds, northwest winds, like we said, 25 to 30 knots developing in here. But look what happens on Friday. On Friday, the fetch gets aimed a little bit more towards the southeast, so a little bit more northwest, but the storm is pulling away. So that's losing the direction towards Puerto Rico. But there is some high pressure building in here. And when we get into Friday late, you can see that the gradient starts to get pinched between this high pressure, and this should be enough to give another little push in here towards Puerto Rico that could get in here by Saturday or Sunday. So there does look like there's going to be some swell coming for you guys out in the island. Stay tuned for the forecast on the forecast updates. Now, wanted to show you something else here. This was this afternoon's run. In our earlier update on our website, we talked about how the model could drop it like a hot potato. In fact, that is what's happened this afternoon in regards to that big blob of low pressure that was going to come towards the Gulf Coast between the 18th and 19th. This is March 18th, and as you can see, there's nothing in here. Look what last night's run showed us. A big area of low pressure approaching the panhandle. So we're just going to have to see if this afternoon's run is just a blip and this comes back before we can have any more confidence on the week of March 17th through the 19th. So stay tuned for the forecast, guys, but it does look like some swell heading towards Puerto Rico. We'll be updating on that again here probably in the next day or so. So stay tuned to the website, follow us on Facebook, and like us on Twitter. Thanks.